On this video you gonna learn the first of 5 visualization techniques to boost your success. If you've never heard of utilizing creative visualization to realize success in your life, then you're missing out on a strong mental technique, which will assist you achieve all of your goals and accomplish your heart's desires. Creative visualization uses your imagination to assist you create what you would like in your life. Make sure to subscribe to not miss future videos. And gives us a thumbs up. Whether you know it or not, you are already using creative visualization in your life every day, although most of the time the technique is being used subconsciously. However, many of us have learned the way to consciously use the facility of creative visualization to enhance their lives and attract success. The process of creative visualization takes advantage of the facility of our mind to imagine various scenarios. Your imagination gives you the power to make a picture or a sense of something, whether it's an object, an event, or an activity. When it comes to our minds, the images that we visualize are the same as those that we see with our eyes. Both images are real to our mind. Creative visualization is nothing quite the method of forming an in-depth and vibrant picture in our mind. We can picture anything that we want in our lives, whether it be changing our circumstances for the better, making more money, becoming healthier, attracting love, and everything else that we can imagine. The process of creative visualization uses the facility of our minds to permit our thoughts to manifest into their physical components. While not everyone can just close their eyes and visualize what they want from their life, some simple techniques can help you learn how to imagine all your wants and desires and help you boost your success. Create a vision board. While just about everyone has heard of a vision board, not everyone knows how to use one to help you visualize your future properly. Many people merely place a bunch of pictures on a board, hang it up in their house, and call it good. However, just having a bunch of pictures hanging up on the wall isn't going to benefit you as much as you might think. To correctly utilize a vision board for creative visualization, you need to start by writing down all of your goals, desires, and dreams. Next, you need to write down how you envision your life will be once you reach those goals, accomplished your dreams, and had everything that you desired. Then, you want to find pictures and quotes that represent the lifestyle that you are dreaming about. It's essential that you don't overdo it, as it can become too overwhelming and will eventually end up disappointing you if it doesn't work. The vision board is meant to bring about the image in your mind of the things that you most desire. So, when you look at the pictures you've assembled for your board, you need to close your eyes and envision yourself in the scenario. A vision board is ideal for those who find it difficult to visualize the images and surrounding clearly. If you like our videos, subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you in the next video. Practice meditation. Enjoy your journey.